Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont County in east central Ohio, southern Carroll County in east central Ohio, southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, Quincy County in east central Ohio, Harrison County in east central Ohio, western Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northern Monroe County in east central Ohio, eastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, Noble County in east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio until 3 a.m. At 2:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from Hutton to Woodsfield and were moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Denison, Tippecanoe, Freeport, Archesville, Somerton, Barnesville, Londonderry, Woodsfield, Hutton, Quaker City, Gilmore, Louisville. This is a dangerous line of storms. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.